behind the counter at your pharmacy? While you may think it's as simple as counting pills, it's a lot more than that. Here is what your pharmacist does for you while you wait for your prescription. We verify that the medication you have been prescribed does not interact with your other medications. We review any documented allergies against the medication you have been prescribed to ensure that it is safe for you. We ensure that the dose and medication prescribed is appropriate for you and the condition for which you are being treated. We make sure you are receiving the correct medication as prescribed and that you are counseled on how to take your medication properly. We answer questions you may have about your health without appointment or long wait times. So in the time between prescription drop-off and pickup, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. And while we do our best to fill your prescription as quickly as we can, rest assured, your safety will always be our first priority. All those activities that go into ensuring you get the right drug, at the right dose, and at the right time are funded by a pharmacist dispensing fee, a modest professional service fee that affords us the time to ensure that the medication you receive is the safest and most appropriate for you. While you wait, your pharmacist makes sure you're getting